Remember, your own party leader seems to be trying to his stand in your constituency. Like Kiran Kandolkaran फाटल्या दिसांनी तुमची एका सायडच्यान पंचायतीन interference जाले. Plus now he has also announced in Aldona. How you are looking at this?
Ex-MLA of
TV.
Thivim. Yeah, he's made it. The other day he said that he has interest in contesting in Aldona. And in democracy, as I always said and earlier, anyone can contest anyway. But it is too early to talk about election right now because when a situation, COVID-19 pandemic, and where it is not proper, to talk about politics because there's still time for the elections. And before that, we have to be more worried about our health, more concerned about our health because economy is down, people have no jobs, nothing is functioning, all the industries, like hotel industries, mining, everything is down. So it is important that, see, he's a leader and I feel that sense should prevail. Sense should prevail to all the leaders, of getting into election mode. Yes, all of us will have to get to election mode when the time comes, but it's not the right time. And anybody wants to contest elections wherever, whatever, are free to. They are most welcome. Finally, people, when the time comes, which is too early to speak, then the people will take a call on it. Simple as that.
No, but did you try to talk to your party about this? What is this going on when you are the MLA?
It doesn't bother me at all because, as I said, it's too early. There's much better work to be done. We are more concerned with I'm more concerned with the people of my constituency at the moment. Because at the moment, as of now, in fact, even there's a report which has just come out. I don't want to boast of it, but now sounds like आमचे PSC Aldona at the moment is, as of no cases are there. And I think Maya, if I'm not missing, but elsewhere, there are cases all over. So that's a worry for all of us. Honorable CM, Dr. Pomasan is doing everything to contain it. So this is where we have to work in this aspect, rather getting into other areas which is absolutely not proper as of now.
You say you work in your constituency every now and then. You have helped your panchayats every now and then, most of the times. How come this panchayat suddenly went to him then?
See, panchayat, I have 6 panchayats in my constituency and 2 board members in Mapsa municipal area. And the panchayats the members elected by the people of the constituency or the particular village as their board members. Is neither Glen Tickler's panchayat, neither it is Bharatiya Janata Party's panchayat and any other party. So finally, it's the people, the members who get together and decide what should be done. Of course, I always said if any issues come to me, or anything that are not proper, they come to me to my office, they meet me personally in my office, and then I take a call on it and then I tackle it. So as long as I am there as MLA, which is my second tenure, I will ensure that my people are not troubled by any members or whatsoever for no rhyme or reason. So I am very, very particular on that. So if fala kolo issue aslo, or konak tras hota, or fala kine problem mage now intervene jata now involved jata and to help the constituent. Finally, they elected by the people. So what is good has been done good for them. What is bad, I will always object. Even however the panchayat, people say panchayat belongs to Glen Tickler. No, again I'm telling it's the people's panchayat. If there's an issue, I will step in very strongly so that my people of my constituency or that particular panchayat does not suffer. The people of that panchayat do not suffer.
कोणी अनाउन्स करूं कितेंय म्हणो, you take this as lightly or what it is?
It doesn't bother me. Absolutely doesn't bother me. Finally, people, when the time comes, will decide who will be their next candidate. I'm confident the work that I'm doing, I've been a lot of work. Everything has been done. It's not only about your development, not only about Vikas, it's about a lot of other things. And finally, people will take a call. And my main thing is like to keep the constituency as it is, because we have to think of our generation. I'm fully pretty important, Magadalya. That our generation ahead, youngsters, they have to, have a proper place. Secondly, safety of women is very, very important. Mahilas, that is my priority. All these are my priority in my constituency. And even in Goa, if I have an opportunity tomorrow, if I'm given an opportunity, even as a minister, I will ensure that all these things are my top priority. The generation is important. saving our hills for posterity is important. Fields, hills. Today, with all this pandemic, mining is down at one point of time for quite some time. Now, industry is completely at a zero. And today, even industries today having a problem. They have studied industries going on. I'm the chairman of IDC. It's going on, but there are a lot of tough times they're going through with all in this pandemic times. And moreover, like agriculture is the thing we have to focus. So my constituency, Aldana constituency, there are a lot of green areas, a lot of fields. So I've been telling my people, a lot of farmers this time, which when I've been giving them manure or whatever, I've been telling them a lot of people have studied cultivating their fields because our Goan families, which sometime back they were not bothered, a few of them. So this is a good sign in this pandemic. So we have to improve on agriculture and ensure that at least our daily food or whatever we get is been taken care of.
Saving for posterity, for future generation, then even safety of women. Was this not going on in your constituency that because of this the panchayat has moved out? Or panchayat in कितने illegalities आता है?
See, panchayat illegalities are there. I think you ask the members, you ask the people of Aldona village. If you go and ask the people of Aldona village as to what is happening, they will give the right answer at the ground level. I can speak a lot, but I will speak when the time comes. Why the panchayat was, the panchayat was there. When I sat with the panchayat, initially when they were elected, all 11 members were with me. Taking them into confidence, they themselves having consensus, all decided who should be the sarpanch. They were given a particular tenure, who should be deputy sarpanch. Irrespective whether they were with BJP, Glenn Ticklow or not, doesn't matter. But suddenly, the whole thing took a U-turn, different turn. Why? You ask the members themselves, or ask the people of Aldona village as to why this happened.
Is it because illegalities?
That you will know in a very short due course of time. If you ask the village, if you go and ask the village of Aldona, the members, as to why this is happening, they will tell you exactly.
Okay, how the coordination will work if the panchayat is not with the MLA then?
I've been working, no?
You are working because the panchayat has to be with the MLA.
Not
The
necessary.
coordination.
Not necessary. Why? Why is it?
फाल्यां तर किरणा कडेन काम जातलें म्हणून दिसता.
करून घेवन मरे काम. Let him go to Kiran and do the work.
तूं आडकोट हाडचो ना?
Absolutely not. If he can get the work to a person who is not elected, that's good news. They'll come to XYZ, get the work done. See, एक मात सांगूंक then you know very well that without MLA शिवाय कांय कामां जायना. So that they should sense should prevail, no? MLA शिवाय कांय कामां जायना. And MLA is to move. We need the Honorable Chief Minister, who is the Finance Minister, or a particular minister. We have to go to him. He has to clear the file. All these things are there.
And government तुझ्याच आहा.
Yeah, government is there. Obviously, government is there.
They have to take
All
MLA
the more
support.
it's their advantage. But our government is helping all the 40 MLAs and doing the works of everybody, as far as I know. Okay, because I know, being the vice president of the party, we don't make difference with any, whether opposition or all. The Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant is helping everybody.
So what is the reason for this panchayat to move out from your support?
I really don't know. In fact, you should ask them, these members, as to why they have taken this step of dislodging the thing which was going very smooth.
So 5 वर्षां
There's a reason to that. There's a reason to that, which I told you in a few. The people themselves will
No, but
call you and give you a press conference.
is it illegality or was something else happening in panchayat?
No, the certain things that they wanted to do or move or get something passed, the people of the Aldona village were not happy about it.
Okay.
They were not They approached me in big huge numbers approached me. Followed, no.
And you stopped
They
it.
didn't want something that was happening which was wrong according to them.
And you stopped it
Yeah, I stopped it.
You saved it.
See, I always stop everything.
because you listen to the voices of the people. Of your
Voices
voters.
of people, I check whether right or wrong.
Okay.
Now, there's another thing I will tell you. The same panchayat today, when there was an ex-sarpanch who was there today, there was something on revise and assessments of tax. Okay? And no procedure was followed. tomorrow each and every of my constituent of Aldona village would have been taxed heavily. Yeah, there's a provision in the Panchayat Raj Act where I think every 5 years
4 years.
assessment has to be done. 4
Yeah,
or 5 years.
Correct.
Okay? Which they were not followed. But they use another method of appointing an agency.
Oh.
Okay? Where this agency, they were paying him some lakhs of rupees, where payment was already paid to him without taking approval from the respective department, video, DUP, nothing. And then when that came to my notice, I had a meeting with all the members, explained to them, and it was stopped. And this person, ex-Sarpanch, previous ex-Sarpanch was moved, they moved in no court motion because the misguided, and even the Gram Sabha, they were not told.
Ah.
Even the Gram Sabha were not explained as to what is the whole thing about. So tomorrow what will happen, each and every member of every family would be paying a huge amount of tax based like on a slab is 8 rupees per square meter. Whereas on a tile house it is 5 rupees per square meter. Suppose you have a house of 100 square meters where you're paying about 200 rupees per annum. Yes, I know you have to increase every 5 years, every 4-5 years as per the Panchayat Raj Act. But they would have been paying almost, if a slave would have been paying 800 rupees. Is there not a burden? And in these COVID times today, what would have been the scenario? And what would happen tomorrow? Hey, Glanachi Panchayat mare.
Correct.
Glanan किती केलं Glan होगे राहिलो Glan आमकां त्रासान घातलो. So this is all a political agenda. हे राजकारण करपाक म्हणजे कोणाचेर गान दवरप आणि फायर करपाक, this was the intention. I'll never allow this to happen. And now it was rejected by the government 2 times.
Ah.
Twice it was rejected. Still, if they put a proposal as to why rejected. When the government rejects, they make a deep study. They don't reject with a whim and fancy. MLN Glennon सांगला म्हणून आणि कोणी सांगला म्हणून ते रिजेक्ट कोण ना.
No.
रिजेक्ट केलो पण तरी ते चॅलेंज करतात म्हणजे हांची पळय हांची हिम्मत पळय आनी हांची घमंडी पळय कितल्या पळय ते.
सो तांकां कितें वायट करूंक मेळना म्हणून तिणें अशें केलां.
अशें केलें म्हाका काय फरक पडना ते. आय एम विथ द पीपल. देखो पीपल गॉट मी इलेक्टेड सेकंड टाइम, यू नो, with much better margin, with a much better lead of mine than the first time. And when we were single as BJP, first election we were in coalition with MGP.
Okay.